Learning photography is an exciting and rewarding journey that allows individuals to capture and preserve the world around them through the art of visual storytelling. Whether you're a beginner armed with a smartphone or a professional with top-of-the-line equipment, photography offers a universal language to express your unique perspective. To embark on your photography journey, it's important to understand the fundamentals. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic concepts of exposure, composition, and lighting. These three pillars form the foundation of any successful photograph, and mastering them will greatly enhance your skills. Understanding exposure involves grasping the relationship between aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Aperture determines the depth of field and controls how much light enters the camera, while shutter speed controls the duration of the exposure. ISO, on the other hand, affects the camera's sensitivity to light. Experimenting with these settings and observing their impact on your images will deepen your understanding of exposure. Composition is another crucial aspect of photography. It involves arranging the visual elements within your frame to create a visually pleasing and impactful image. The rule of thirds, leading lines, symmetry, and balance are just a few compositional techniques you can employ to add interest and structure to your photographs. By studying the works of renowned photographers and practicing different compositions, you'll develop an eye for capturing compelling images. Lighting is the essence of photography. It can transform an ordinary scene into something extraordinary. Understanding the quality, direction, and color of light will allow you to manipulate it to suit your creative vision. Experiment with different lighting conditions, such as golden hour, harsh midday sun, or dramatic night scenes, to understand how light affects your subjects and overall mood. In addition to mastering the technical aspects, developing a personal style and artistic vision is essential for photographers. Explore different genres of photography, such as landscape, portrait, street, or wildlife, to discover what resonates with you the most. Try various techniques, experiment with different perspectives, and allow your creativity to flow. The more you practice and push your boundaries, the more you'll refine your unique voice as a photographer. Learning photography is not solely about capturing images. It also involves post-processing, where you can enhance your photos using editing software like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop. Editing allows you to fine-tune exposure, adjust colors, and apply creative effects to bring out the best in your images. However, it's important to strike a balance and avoid overprocessing, as it can detract from the authenticity of the photograph. Moreover, the learning process should never stop. Stay inspired by immersing yourself in the works of both contemporary and classic photographers. Attend workshops, exhibitions, and photography conferences to connect with like-minded individuals and learn from professionals in the field. Engage with online photography communities, participate in challenges, and seek constructive feedback to grow and improve your skills. Remember, photography is a deeply personal and subjective art form. There are no rigid rules or limitations. It's an ever-evolving and limitless creative outlet. So, embrace the joy of learning, embrace the mistakes, and allow yourself to experiment fearlessly. With time, dedication, and a keen eye, you'll be able to capture moments, tell stories, and share your unique perspective with the world through the power of photography.